Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off network discovery on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to Category View, and then select Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. And now on the left side, you want to select where it says Change Advanced Sharing Settings. So go ahead and left click on that. So for network discovery, if you want to turn them on, you can turn them on just by clicking on these two options. So underneath network discovery and file and printer sharing as well. So if you want to turn them on, you can. Otherwise, you can turn them off by just setting both of these options to off. And you can go expand all networks as well. So you can do additional public folder sharing too. And our option was underneath the private network, but if you want to adjust the guest or public network, you can customize those on a more granular level. So you can go down more specifically here for the guest or private network, depending on what you want to modify. And then you just would select Save Changes to save the change. And that's pretty much it. The change should take effect immediately at that point. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.